Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Jenkins email alerts for Android builds step by step clearly. Navigate to your Jenkins server URL. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the project for your Android builds. Click on the project's name to open its dashboard. In the left-hand menu, look for the Configure option and click on it. Scroll down to the Build Triggers section. Check the box next to Email Notification. Next, find the Post Build Actions section. Click the Add Post Build Action drop-down menu. Select Email Notification from the options. In the Project Recipient List field, enter the email addresses you want to receive alerts. Use a comma to separate multiple email addresses. Scroll down to find the Email Notifications settings. Here, you can customize the notification triggers. You can choose to send notifications on successful builds, unstable builds, or failures. Adjust these settings based on your preferences. Once done, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Now, you should be set up to receive email alerts for your Android builds in Jenkins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.